Hey, is Sharon there? Yeah, hi, is Sharon there?
Yes, this is Sharon. How can I help you?
Hey, Sharon, my name is Dale. I was calling you about the property on Claude Street, seeing if you were able to get that closed out.
No, he's still working on it, so I'm just trying to let him see if he can. I don't know if I told you the problem is that we got a mechanical lien on it, and we can't find out who to pay the money to.
You got a what kind of lien on it?
A mechanical lien, it's where it was some work done on it, probably about 6 or 7 years ago,
Yeah.
and the company that did the work, the owner passed, and I guess the family sold it, and then whoever bought it sold it, and it's just a rent to a thousand different places, and nothing leads to the people that actually have the lien put on it anymore. And that's why it's the mechanical lien on it, make it where you can't sell it until you pay the loan off.
Oh, okay, I understand. How much is the lien?
It's only about 17,000.
17,
Big it up.
17,000? Okay. I mean, that seems like a lot of money. You think they want to collect it?
Right, and it's accumulated interest because it wasn't like I said, it's been about 11 years or so. And my uncle took the lien out to have some work done in the kitchen and in the bathroom. So that's what it was. And if he one of those but it was 5 years or so. And he probably lived about a year. Like 2 years, so they, the lien be enforced at that time.
Gotcha. So the title company's still trying to get that paid off?
Yeah, they trying to see who to pay it to. And we asked them, they're like someplace they could take the money and, put it up and whoever comes back and say that, the money belongs to them, it would be available, but they said they don't have anything that they can set up like that for you.
Yeah.
Know, you could think it would be, but it does make sense, really know who it would be paid to, and if it's go to the wrong people, it still show that it's old, so it's crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy. Okay.
I've had like 2 or 3 title companies in different places where they thought they could get it done, and then we get right back to the same thing. People your time trying to do something. It's been almost, I think it's going on like a year or more. So we've been trying to get this done.
Wow.
Yeah.
With the same person trying to buy the property or multiple people?
No, multiple people. Everybody think they could get it done. So I don't have at it.
How much you selling it for?
I think it was like 120,000. Somewhere up in there.
That's how much you're selling it for now?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you under a contract with somebody, or are you just trying to get the lien situated?
I'm trying to get the lien situated. I hadn't actually did a contract yet.
Yeah.
I did one a couple of times before. So this person actually, they just checked it out, and then once, like they could get some more business with it. So I'm not under a contract with anybody now, but it is somebody have a title company. Into it.
Oh. Did you hire the title company?
No, the people that working at it, he's like a friend of the and he just that he does, different companies that, if it could be done, they could do it. So,
Yeah.
we're just trying to just bring it done for this whole year. But I don't know, in Texas, where you located?
No, I'm in Maryland, but I have partners in Texas. We do a lot in like Dallas, Fort Worth area.
Yeah, because I was going to say the area is really coming up. It's about maybe 5 miles from the Dallas Zoo.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a real good area. And believe it or not, homes on the street are selling for $450,000+.
Wow.
Yeah, you should look it up. It's the property itself is, it's a very, good buy.
Yeah.
Over,
What is it?
put into it.
What's going on with the property now? Is someone living there?
No, nobody's living. I think she's been gone about 6 months or so now because it started to having problems where it really wasn't little, but she stayed in it long as she did because, she was able to stay there for free. So it's more like reasonable. So I end up being more like land, but some people say, they know how to do that. They know how to structure it out.
Oh, okay, so that's your goal, to walk away with 100,000.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that lien situation, that's tough.
And see, I know because it was the mortgage for Citibank. That's the reason why they put the mechanical lien on it to make sure it's not sellable until the company pays.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's taxes accumulated, just making it an awkward situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you
And,
you didn't do anything with the property earlier this year, did you?
no,
Okay.
no.
Because it just looking on the website we use, it's not saying the ownership is in your name.
No, it's showing that the ownership is in. It's a situation where my uncle was with a bonus child, and she switched it out. I think in okay, 12 or something like that. I don't really contact her. We already got that situated. So it was done. I think I know Stephanie, but I don't know what the last name was.
Okay.
Yeah, so I know the first name is Stephanie, but I can't tell you what the last name is. But that's why I think they haven't been able to get no more done because we thought that, she had somebody that she thought was going to be able to get it done, and then still end up coming right back to me from the family of Purdue.
Yeah.
That my grandmother had that. I think she bought it. My mom was born in 44. I think she bought it like around 50, 51. So that's how long it's been in the family.
Gotcha. How many bedrooms is the house?
It was 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, a living room, 1 bathroom, and then the kitchen.
Got it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, yeah, I'll just follow up with you maybe every couple weeks and see where it's at, and maybe we can do something once you get that cleared out.
Okay. Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Dale.
Dale.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, Sharon. Yeah, you too. Have a good night.